Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nshopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sakile is on Zetulele name. He wants to pay a revenge on Zetulele. And it seems like Zetulele, when he see Sakile, it seems like he see the ghost. While Nokzola confesses to work with Maharaji and Kulego discover he is a shareholder at Maluju. Fikile feels the pressure from Kemisi to make contact with Kulego. And Matlovu finally got to see Fikile is alive when Boshle shows the photo of Fikile. And Mandlovu asks Boshle to ask Fikile to make a meeting with the family. She see Buhle and agreed to meet with the family, but on her terms and conditions. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.